Hello, namaskaram, thank you and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Armin and I'm making informative videos about yoga, health, well-being and all kinds of fun things. And the purpose of this channel is for it to be informative about well-being as well as have some fun. So today's topic is believing, disbelieving, and is there anything more to this? So why I am on a spiritual path, or you could say I'm using a spiritual process, is simply because I understand that I do not know. I can clearly see from my own experience that I have questions about existence. So where do I come from? What is the purpose of my life? Why life? And what happens after death? Is there anything that happens? Is there anything that goes beyond living and dying? So if we look at this, people for ages have been believing in things or disbelieving things, but they have been lacking direct experience. So for example, when people say that they believe in God, or they believe in life after death, it simply means this: from direct experience, I do not know, but instead of clearly seeing and confronting myself with this fact that I do not know, I assume something. So I assume that there is a creator, and I assume that my life has this purpose, and after my death this will happen. So all people are coming from the same position. Experientially, no one knows, but mentally I'm taking a position. I'm choosing to assume something which I experientially do not know. It's just that if you're clear and honest about it, you do not know it. Well, if the urge in you arises to actually know, then spiritual process happens, which means with the spiritual process we are taking it step by step, and we are remaining clear and we are remaining unidentified, and our goal is to move towards knowing. We want to take the possibility of living, of existing, of being here, and we want to explore what this life is about. And we are using the spiritual process to come to a direct experience, to come to a direct realization. So in the spiritual process, or in yoga, we could say that we are seeking for truth. We are not assuming anything. So unless it is our direct experience, we do not assume it, we do not take it. So the difference is, when I believe something, I do not know if it is true. When I disbelieve something, I still do not know if it is true. I have just taken a mental position for or against something. You could say, in this example, I'm believing in God, I'm not believing in God. I'm believing in a life after death, I am not believing in a life after death. But with yoga, with spiritual process, if this urge has arisen in you that you actually long to know, you deeply long to know, then there is this process that you do, this seeking that you embark on, because you want to know from your direct experience. Hope this video was clear, guys. Please, if you liked it, like, share, comment, subscribe. See you next time.